Have you got any other questions?
I do. I've got a couple more. So,
sure.
Let's see. We answered that. So this one does. I guess I kind of already know the answer to that, but I'll ask it anyway. So currently, Dynex doesn't have a marketplace where you can go and put your own, projects out there to be. But are they going to, that it's public facing, not just, hey, I reach out to you, I have this project, you need to vet it first.
No, it will not be like that. It will be a full front end customer experience. Customer can build their apps, even potentially to the point they might even release some kind of sandbox mode that will allow you to get an idea of how many chips you should be using, for the duration you should be using it for, how long it will take to saturate stuff, all of that kind of thing. I think is good, as an onboard ramp, and they're going to need to have a proper onboard ramp. If they're going to be legitimized, they need to take fiat, unfortunately.
Yeah,
they can't just take crypto.
Completely agree. Enterprise customers aren't going to want to go out and exchange and deal with that shit their own. They want to give you a card, and they need their easy button for sure. Which brings me to another question. Are they going to have an SLA, like whatever that service level agreement is based on the job for their enterprise?
I would suspect that doing that kind of high level computation will come with SLAs anyway. It's got to be 99.999% available at all times while you're running that test. It can't ping out, it can't crash, it can't do any of that. So I guess they're going to have some form of SLA down the road. I haven't heard any mutterings around an SLA, but I can certainly ask. They're fully approachable, and I can ask that question on whether or not they're going to have SLAs. But I suspect that's part and parcel of the business model, right? They're going to need to have SLAs.
Well, and coming from the cloud world, if it's anything less than 3 nines, we don't want to touch it.
Yeah, exactly. You know exactly. It's got to have the 3 nines on the end of it. Otherwise, no big company's going to use it.